Close your eyes and relax. Take a slow breath and release gently, very gently, very lovingly. Feel your breaths going in and coming out. Focus on your breaths. While breathing, feel the love within you. Feel the gentleness towards your body. Keep breathing. Let go of all the control. Let go of all the fears and loosen your body. Just relax. Allow your body to relax. Allow your throat to relax. Allow your chest to relax. Allow your abdomen to relax. Your legs, your foot to relax. Keep relaxing. Keep breathing. Let go of all the control and fear. Your body is your greatest friend. Your body is your healer. Be with your body. Just imagine or visualize you're shrinking. You're shrinking slowly, gently, lovingly. You're shrinking. And as you're shrinking slowly, slowly, you're entering inside your own body. Keep shrinking. Keep shrinking. Keep shrinking. Enter your body. Go inside your body and travel within your body into your bloodstream. While traveling into your bloodstream, you will see a vast flowing universe within you, alive, sacred, intelligent, divine. Flow into your bloodstream. You will notice millions of tiny glowing cells around you. Many cells, very tiny, glowing. Feel those cells around you while traveling into your bloodstream. You will notice each and every cell is very aware, listening to you. They know what exactly they need to do for the body. They are very clear, ready for your signal. Feel that energy within you. All those tiny glowing cells are listening to you, waiting for your signal. They are very clear to follow your instructions. Very softly, speak to them. Say them, dear cells, I know You're aware of what you need to do exactly in my body. I trust your intelligence. Restore all the perfect balance within me. I surrender to you. I trust you. I trust the intelligence within you. I'll witness the balance within me. Slowly watch. Your cells are glowing brighter and brighter. They start to get aligned. They're communicating with each other, correcting everything that needs correction towards the balancing. Witness this. Feel happy about it. Witness the alignment. Witness the communication. Witness the correction that is happening. Now focus on your blood. Feel the transformation into the pure light, very sacred and divine. Each and every imbalance is now corrected, is now balanced, neither too much nor too little. A perfect balance, a pure light, a perfect balance. Witness this. Witness everything returning to divine harmony as it is supposed to be naturally in a human body. Allow this divinity to release and let go of all the memory of fear. Release it out. All the fear stored in your body towards your illness, towards your imbalance, towards your loss of control. Allow it to get dissolved and leaving your body right now. It's over. It ends now. Let all fear dissolve and leave your body right now. Trusting the divine harmony within you. Repeat, say to yourself, my body is guided by divine intelligence, and I trust the process totally and completely. Every system within me is balanced with a perfect harmony needed. I allow this perfect harmony within my blood, cells, totally and completely. And so it is. Just float inside this sacred place. Let your body do its work. Keep floating, keep breathing, and see this divinity, this glow in the cells, the flow of blood becoming as perfect, as balanced, as divine as possible. Feel it, witness this. It is your right to feel this balance. It is your right to have this balance. Accept it completely. Take a deep breath. Feel this as much as possible. Take your time. And when you feel right, only then bring back your awareness. Be with it as much as possible.